This is the most horrifying type of Jell-O I've ever seen in my life.
Or get everything you know about London's food scene. Critics are calling it the absolute best foodie destination on the entire planet right now.
Beef Wellington. It's a food that sounds like it has good credit.
It does.
Today's pie would be about £600.
From glamorous, sultry Mayfair hotspots to hidden Georgian fire kitchens, London's culinary scene is explosive. This is diverse, visual, and intense food that you can't look away from.
It's the fish that we know and love, but it's just a little bit more flaky, a little bit more soft, a little bit more flavor.
Welcome to London, the pulsing heart of England, the city renowned for its iconic landmarks and now its unparalleled global food scene. In this video, we aren't just eating. We are hunting for the most visually stunning, mouth-watering new dishes that define the city. These aren't just meals, they are cultural icons in the making, set in some of the most glamorous neighborhoods on Earth. The intensity has changed here. Richer butter sauces, sharper piri, and a diversity that has to be seen to be believed. We are stepping into London's hottest dining hubs, from Mayfair's A-list venues to Fitzrovia's buzzy open kitchen districts, where raw ingredients are turned into showstoppers. If you are ready to see how the world's new food capital eats, you must hit like and subscribe right now. It's free, it helps the channel grow, and it allows me to keep bringing you to places where food is art. Market 1, the glamorous Mayfair Dining Hub. In the historic center of Mayfair high society, the culinary rhythm begins with spectacle. This is where dining isn't just about taste, it's a choreographed performance. Inside sultry, dimly lit venues like Toby Masa and Daka Daka, the service is an art form. A-list celebrities fill these spaces, where Art Deco table lamps cast golden light on the most exclusive plates. This isn't just a place to see and be seen. These are working tools of pure flavor. Here, the techniques are as precise as the presentation, designed to keep viewers engaged from the first second. The market here supports the infrastructure of a truly diverse and explosive cuisine. Turn a corner and the scent shifts. Open flames from Georgian fire kitchens roast succulent Iberico pork. Sizzling grilled oysters radiate a beautiful smoky aroma over a charcoal grill. Movement is constant. Orders are measure by eye. Transactions are quick. Conversations are short. Specific dishes define this visual landscape. The sheer scale of a 6-inch pyramid cookie entirely smothered in chocolate cracks open on camera to reveal a decadent matcha mousse and a hidden message inside. Nothing feels staged. Everything feels used. This is where London's new high-end food culture begins. In glamour, in precision, in performance. Locations: 10 Hedden Street, 30 Grosvenor Square, 22 Park Lane, 74 Duke. Cost: high-end, premium dishes and dining experiences vary by restaurant and season. Market 2, the buzzy Fitzrovia Dining District. Just a short walk from the Copper Bazaar, the vibe changes completely. Inside Fitzrovia, the colors deepen. The energy is raw, communal, and vibrant. This is where open kitchens create a dance of chefs moving around intense, open flames. Weekend lunch or a festive evening, this district is unmatched for pure food energy. Here, the best street food finds its way into established gems. The unique bell-like shape of giggly pasta holds onto a tangy, rich tomato sauce infused with Ford's gin. The crab cake gratin, a Chilean masterpiece, arrives hot and bubbling, gratinade and plated directly inside an actual crab shell. British Wagyu croquettes shatter on camera to reveal a salty, rich, and velvety beef center. Fiery, crimson-red spiced oil pooling around perfectly charred Frango Piri chicken practically jumps off the screen. Goat's cheese gougères, golden, airy pastry puffs, tear in slow motion to reveal their molten, oozing goat's cheese center. Tearing smoky, wood-fired aubergine paired with crispy artichokes. Vivid, colorful layers of avocado, fresh salmon, and roe create a gorgeous, photogenic cross-section. A fork effortlessly pulls apart incredibly tender, slow-cooked beef cheek, heavy with peppercorns. The ultimate dessert money shot, pouring thick, glossy hot chocolate sauce over a sugar-dusted cinnamon donut and watching the ice cream melt. Nothing feels staged. Everything feels visceral. London's food is bold because the ingredients are bold. Darker chili, richer butter sauces, thicker reductions. Before the video ends, before you decide where to fly first, remember, it all starts with visual engagement. This market isn't about spectacle. It's about concentration, locations, 19 to 23 Charlotte Street, 30 Charlotte Street, 1 Pearson Square, 160 Great Portland Street. Price range: mid to high end, diverse pricing depending on the specific restaurant and choice of dishes. London doesn't just compete for attention, it relying on visual benchmarks. In London, flavor is structural. It starts in the choreographed service of Mayfair, in the spice-laden vodka sauces that define al dente comfort food, in the open kitchen energy of Fitzrovia, where a fork effortlessly pulls apart a slow-cooked beef cheek, in the massive chocolate fortune cookie that is the ultimate viral thumbnail. Before the kebab hits charcoal, before the baklava is boxed, it begins with engagement. That's why London isn't just flashy, it is foundational. If you enjoyed exploring this city from the ingredient up, absolutely smash that like button. It's free, it helps the channel grow, and it allows me to keep uncovering places where reputation is earned long before the plate arrives. And tell me in the comments down below, which of these insane London dishes would you fly across the world to try first? Some cities sell food, London defines it.